Well, pressure's not there yet. I don't know. I still don't look like that's moved. I've got that fix set how you're supposed to set it. Whenever I have a nice orange flame, which you shouldn't have, the boilers always won't heat up quicker. Whenever I set that fix, like that blue flame, they always take longer to heat up. I can hear some condensation. It could be in business. Probably a little bit early, but we're getting a bit of condensation there, look. It's blowing bubbles. Close that for a minute. I think this is going to go in a minute. Yeah, no, I want this one. There's a little sort of like a finger adjuster there, so I don't know if that's sort of to let air into there, steam into there, or it's a way of filling it up, but the filler tap is on the other side. I don't think we're going to be in business. She's a big old girl, this one. Cleaned up alright, really. Cleaned up alright. I think that is for getting rid of the condensation. Come on, girl. Trying now. Oh, almost there. I think we're away. We're away. Yes. I haven't got any pressure there yet. Still not showing any pressure. What about that? It's a big one. Oh, it's running nice. Nothing wrong with that. That looks a bit stiff, I think, the dummy governor. Yeah, pleased with that. It's running nicely. That's a bit stiff. That's a bit sticky. Wants a bit more oil on it, probably. It's a bit more oil than I normally do. Well, it's the first time. It might have been used for a long time. You can see how dirty it was. Look at that, it's running beautifully. But yeah, it's a huge model. Huge model. Lovely condition. There's steam coming out there, look. Well, that's the first run. I'm pleased how that's going. Let's see if sometimes I get a little bit stuck. No, not having it. No leaks here, thank heavens. No leaks anywhere. I imagine that's quite a powerful model. Anyway, it's running beautiful. You can hear it. It always looks nice with that water pump going up and down. I'll have to test that out later. Slow it down a bit. Look at that. I like the big giant bent crankshafts on these. Very pleased with that. Anyway guys, I'm going to turn that gas off now. You can hear it. Gas is off. That'll just run on what's left in there now. But what a beautiful model. Really pleased with that. Once loosening up. But well, I've got it running slow at the moment. It could be this might be a bit slack. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Yeah, phone call stopped play. But anyway, yeah, you can get the drift, guys. She runs lovely. She's a huge one, and for a first run, you can see it hasn't been used for years. It was filthy. I might take these off and put them in the sonic bath. All these, because that'll only be cleaning it. It won't be restoring it. So I might do that, but I don't like playing about them too much. One around the other side's a bit bent, and I'm frightened about bending it because I don't want anything to break. You can see what's happened with the dummy governor. It's bent over. If I try and straighten it out, that'll just snap off. So it's brass. So I'm surprised that's got like that. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there, guys. I think that's another win. I'm pleased with that. And I'll be doing another one soon. I think I'll connect it up with some toys and get it run, because that's a powerful machine. Yeah, lovely one. If you like this sort of thing, guys, do a like and subscribe, because you can see the sort of models I'm coming up with. And I'll continue with doing this type of video. So if you like these, like and subscribe. There'll be more coming up. Cheers, guys. Take it easy.